Hello, I'm Nat, and today we're going to cover question 5 of 2020. So, what's this? Two kids eating sweets on a holiday. That's weird. But later you're gonna see that the two kids are gonna have diabetes. No, I mean it. So let's say the holiday is the month of June. Yeah, I know that might be a very odd place to start a holiday, but June has 30 days, and the holiday in question has 30 days. 15 are sunny and 15 are rainy. So here's our key. We're going to write r to the power of n when there are n rainy days in a row, and s to the power of n when there are n sunny days in a row. And we're going to write sr to the power of n, and we're going to have alternating sr for n times. So, what arrangement of sunny and rainy days would lead Miriam to eat the greatest number of sweets in total, and what arrangement will lead to the least number? Oh, this is interesting. Originally, I thought I would do SR to the power of 15, so that means Miriam will have 240 and Adam 240. Because if we have SR, then we have Miriam and Adam, then we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 0, 4. And how we calculate 240? Because then this sequence will end 15, 15, and 0, 30. So this is basically the sum of arithmetic sequence of even numbers, and these are just the natural numbers twice. They have the same answer, so how do we calculate them? We do a Gauss. Yes, seriously. So what I did was add 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 plus 15, and then I add 15 plus 14 plus dot 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 plus 1. Still got the same numbers, just different. So we're going to have 15 times 16, or Trikin 240. Trikin is my code name, by the way. Oh, but then I realized I calculated again. I found out I didn't look at the solutions, but I realized that Miriam and Adam can have more sweets in total, and that's how they got diabetes at the end of the holiday. And in the end, they can't concentrate on school. Trust me, their mother heard about the MAT, she's gonna be mad. Anyway, let's calculate the same. Now, how many sweets they have. So let's try s to the power of 15, r to the power of 15. Then Miriam will have 1, 2, 3, 15, and then 15 times 15. And what's the 15 triangular number? It's just 240 over 2 equals to 120. Because there are two pairs of numbers here, we're going to divide it by 2. So what's 15 squared? We write this down. 15 times 15 equals to 225. And we add them together to get 345. And Adam has the same number of sweets too. So both kids are getting onto the mischief of eating lots of sweets. Trust me, I only ate 345 sweets in my 12 years of living here on Earth. Well, maybe more, but you get the point. Suppose in the sequence of sunny and rainy days, okay, that's part 3. We're supposed to be part 1 again. Now we're going to find where the two kids had the minimum risk of diabetes. I like my diabetes, don't I? So we are going to try r to the power of 15, s to the power of 15. So that means Adam will have 1, 2, 3, 15, 0, and then Miriam will have 0 here, and 1, 2, 3, 15, and both of them will have 120 sweets each. Mind you, that's still a lot of sweets to eat in 30 days. Their mom's gonna be flipping mad when they hear about it. When they hear the children eating 345 sweets in 30 days. You think that's an overdose? Any person who realizes that 345 or even 120 sweets is to an overdose, mind you. Show that in the two cases, Adam eats the same amount of sweets as Miriam. Easy, we calculated them both. And we're going to calculate Adam's case here. So Adam will have 0 and then 16, 17 to 20. And this is the 15 triangular number, right? It's 15t plus 15 squared. We already figured it out. It's 345. And later in this video, we're now going to do a digression on triangular roots. Yes, triangular roots. And it also mentions my favorite prime number, 17. Show that, suppose in a sequence of sunny and rainy days, we arrange to swap a rainy day with a sunny day that immediately follows it. How does the total number of sweets eaten by Miriam and Adam change? So let's say we have rainy and then sunny. So that means, let's say Miriam has P sweets here, then P plus 1. Adam eats only K sweets per day, so K, 0. So let's say Miriam has M sweets now, and then Adam has N. So we're going to swap S and R around. Now, Miriam only eats P plus 1 because a sunny day has occurred before, and Adam's going to eat 0 here and K plus 1 now because the day has changed. So N plus 1 and plus 1. Mind you, that's a very tricky way for them to get more sweets. Only if they can control the weather. No, seriously, if they have 15 rainy days in a row, they're both gonna stay at home and eat sweets. I'm still laughing at my diabetes jokes right now. They're getting a little dirty, so moving on. In the holiday has 15 sunny days and 15 rainy days. Must Miriam and Adam eat the same number of sweets in total? Yeah, sure. So we have 15 rainy days and 15 sunny days. So this means that means if you swap them around, then you have n plus 1, n plus 1, as you can see them here. Then that means they should have the same number of sweets. In the end, they get the same risk of diabetes, mind you. I still like my diabetes jokes. Well, moving away from diabetes jokes, we talked a bit about triangular powers and triangular roots. And here's the formula for a triangular root. Yes, this is the triangular root of number, which I often denote as the teeth root of x, or the stair root. Get it? Square, stair, ha ha ha. And then we have x to the triangular, or x to the stair, or x stared, mind you, x stared at who, ha ha ha. And then this is our formula for the triangular number, and here's the formula for the triangular root. Now, what's the stair root of 2? Equals to, then we substitute 2 into the formula, 17 minus 1 over 2. And what's the triangular root of 3/8? In an earlier video, I mentioned a problem which my professor sent to me, and it was about parabolas and circles, and this also involves triangular roots. Mind you, this is going to be a bit messy. And we're going to substitute 3 over 8 in the formula. 8 times 3 over 8 is 3, plus 1 minus 1 over 2 equals to the square root of 4 minus 1 over 2 equals to half. So, 3/8 is a triangular number! Yay! I couldn't have gotten more, please. Anyways, thank you all, and see you, and have fun with these new powers. Okay, now you have more powers, and a higher risk of diabetes. And make sure the weatherman's really accurate with his forecast. Okay, see you.